Welcome to this ultimate guide on how to prepare your college list for KCET option entry. If you are confused about what to choose, how to prioritize, or which colleges fit your rank, you are in the right place. Let's move into the video. First of all, we will understand option entry. What is option entry? KCET gives you a chance to fill a priority list of colleges plus branches you want. They'll check your KCET rank, category, and your preference order, and give you a seat accordingly. So this list you prepare is like your lottery ticket. Mess it up and you might regret it forever. Step 2. Know your rank. Go to the KCET website and download your rank card. Now divide yourself into one of these three categories. Topper. Rank below 10,000. Medium. Rank 10,001 to 40,000. Backup warrior. Rank above 40,000. This helps you set realistic expectations. Step 3. Download last year's cutoffs. This is your goldmine. Go to kcet.car.nic.in. Download last year's engineering cutoff PDF. Search for the closing ranks for your category, your dream course, like CSE, and colleges you are eyeing. Step 4. Shortlist colleges. Now it's time to shortlist smartly. Break your list into three parts. Dream options. Top-tier colleges like RVCE, BMSCE, higher than your rank. Target options. Around your rank range. Example, DSCE. Just stay. Safe options. Lower cutoffs, but decent backup. REVA. New Horizon. Create an Excel sheet with college name, course, city, last year cutoff, fee, hostel or day scholar, placement stats. These are some example. Please go check through this. Trust me bro, this sheet is going to save your life later. Step 5. Do college research. Now don't blindly go for names. Research like a boss. Search college reviews on YouTube. Google Maps, check location and traffic. College Dunyag Shiksha, placement percent and infra. Talk to your seniors. If you are serious about placements, don't go to a college where even Wi-Fi is a struggle. Prioritize smartly. Arrange your final list from most preferred to least. KCET will allot based on the first available choice. So if your number 1 is available, you won't even be considered for number 3 or number 4. So be smart, don't randomly put RVCE CSE as your number 1 if you don't have the rank. Tips from seniors. Some genius level tips from seniors. Fill at least 100 plus options, don't be lazy. Don't select a course you hate just for college name. If placements matter, choose CSE GISE over Civil Mech unless you are truly passionate. Don't overthink mock allotment. Focus on final list. Mistakes to avoid. Let me save you from some tragic mistakes. Filling only 10 to 15 options. Copying your friend's list blindly. Ignoring city, hostel, or fees. Not checking your category cutoffs. Waiting till the last hour to fill the form. Final submission. Once your list is ready, head to the KCET option entry portal and enter your preferences. Save often. Preview everything before final submission. Take screenshots for backup. And bro, once you've done it, go celebrate. It's a big step done right. That's it, bro. If this video helped you even 1%, smash that like button, comment your rank and top 3 college choices, and share it with your KCET gang. More videos coming on, so hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.